Our largest Tormek kit is available. This package includes the TORMEK Sharpening system, the hand tool, wood turner's kit, planar blade attachment, 180 degrees rotational base, and drill bit sharpening attachment. The best just got better. This Tormek T8 is our top-of-the-line water-cooled sharpening system, and is, by far, the best sharpening system one can buy. If you use tools that need a finely honed, razor-sharp edge, this machine will give you a lifetime of excellent service and ensure your tools have an edge that allows you to effortlessly work your magic. It sharpens all manner of tools: knives, scissors, wood chisels, plane irons, spoke shaves, carving tools, lathe turning tools, axes, and much more. If it has an edge, the Tormek T8 will sharpen it. The Tormek Grindstone is constructed so that with the stone grater it can be treated to change its property from 220 grit to 1.0 grit. This has obvious advantages. You can make both the first fast grinding and the sharpening on the same grindstone and the same grinding machine and with the same jig setting. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. After grinding, the 8 5/8 inches diameter by 1 7/32 inches genuine leather honing wheel gently removes the burr and hones the edge to razor sharpness. The T8 system includes the advanced square edge jig, truing and dressing tool, stone grater, angle master, honing compound, handbook and instructional DVD, and comes with a 7-year. The hand tool kit includes the knife jig, small knife holder, long knife jig, scissors jig, axe sharpening jig, and short tool jig. The wood turner's kit includes the gouge jig, multi-jig, turning tool setter, tool rest, profile leather honing wheel, machine cover, and wood turner's instruction box. The planar blade attachment allows you to achieve a razor-sharp edge on blades longer than 10.5 inches. Also included is Tormek's patented drill bit attachment, which allows you to sharpen your drill bits to a 4-facet point with the highest precision. The optimal point and clearance angles can be set according to each drilling requirement, which depends upon the drill size and material. Completely restore worn drills as well as broken drills to a perfect shape. Finally, the rotating base, which enables you to easily rotate the machine 180 degrees and lock it with complete stability. It makes it easy to alternate between sharpening and honing or sharpening towards or away from the edge. Stainless steel shaft and hardware. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Our largest sharpening kit includes the Woodturner's Sharpening Kit. This includes everything you need for turning tool sharpening, including gouge and multi-jigs, turning tool setter, and a profiled leather honing wheel. Number 2. Includes the hand tool sharpening kit. This includes 6 jigs for sharpening hand tools like knives, scissors, axes, carving tools, and more. Number 3. Our best sharpener. The T8 system is our top-rated sharpener, water-cooled, and built for precision sharpening and long tool life. This system will keep your tools and accessories razor-sharp and always ready to work. Has both a grinding and honing wheel. Number 4. Lots of extras, including a 7-year factory warranty, comes with an angle master, honing compound, diamond truing tool, and more. It's a sharpening shop in a box. Number 5. Planar blade attachment included as well. What sets this kit apart from others is the inclusion of our excellent planar jointer blade attachment, making it the most complete kit on the market today. Number 6. Warning: this machine operates at 115 volts and is designed to work exclusively in North America. Please be aware that if you plan to use this product in a country that operates at 220 to 240 volts, you will burn out the motor and damage the machine, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.